uterus where it's going to implant. And the uterus is thick. This is a long strip of tissue. So if we just go across the slide, you can see this first part has a lot of glands, very glandular. And then you go further down the slide. So that's pretty thick with all those glands. And then you go a little bit further down, and it looks like a lot of muscle, right? And then there's just a little line on the outside, a little covering on the outside, right? So what is this inner part called with all the glands? Endometrium. It's the endometrium, right? And these are all the glands that grow thick. What hormone makes this grow thicker? Estrogen and progesterone, right? Estrogen and progesterone. Then, what's the name for this muscular part of the uterus? Myometrium. Myometrium. What hormone makes that contract? A couple different hormones. Now, all right, 9 months later, now we gotta get this thing out of there, right? So.
Relaxin?
Relaxin will relax her pelvis, so she has a bigger birth canal for it to get through. Oxytocin. Oxytocin. If she's not contracting enough, they can give synthetic Pitocin, but it's oxytocin. It's just a synthetic version. So our bodies would be making oxytocin, along with other prostaglandin hormones. Those regulate the contractions of the uterus, right? So remember in the end of chapter 28, it's showing you how like the baby's getting all cramped inside of there. The baby starts releasing ACTH. That gets cortisol, and it sets up this like positive feedback mechanism of stress that ultimately makes it up to her brain for her to release oxytocin. And some of that cortisol has made oxytocin receptors appear here. So as she starts making more oxytocin, she can get little weak contractions. What are those called? Braxton Hicks, right? And then eventually you get enough of that oxytocin, strong contractions, and it's out there, right? All right. And then what's just the name for just the outer edge, the outer lining?
What is this?
It begins with a P, perimetrium. Perimetrium.
This right here.